Hello students, welcome back. Yesterday we revised what is a capacitor and their types, parallel, spherical, cylindrical, and we derived one relation, that is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, and in that case we are with the result C is equal to E naught A upon D. In that case the medium between the two conductor was air or vacuum. Today we are doing the same topic, but we are introducing one dielectric between the capacitors. You know what is dielectric? Dielectric are those materials which doesn't conduct electricity, but whenever we place the dielectric in the presence of electric field, then induced charges are produced on the surfaces of the dielectric. So this is your parallel plate capacitor, and between of the parallel plate capacitor we are inserting a dielectric. The thickness of dielectric is T, and the space between the two parallel plate capacitor is D. Now here is this is positive charge and this is negative charge. So electric field will be from positive to negative, and I am showing here E naught. E naught means electric field applying electric field in the outward direction from positive to negative charge. Now, after introducing a dielectric, negative charges are induced on this plate, and positive charges are induced on this plate. So again, electric field is setting up in between the two plates of this dielectric, and the direction of this electric field is from positive to negative. So this arrow is in this direction, in the outward direction, and this arrow is in the opposite to this direction. So net electric field experienced by this electric is this vector minus this vector. This is polarized. EP means polarized electric field, and that polarization is due to this presence of this electric field, and E naught is the electric field. So net field is E naught minus EP. So here we know that a capacitance between the two parallel plate capacitor, when there is the medium, when the medium between the two plate capacitor is air or vacuum, then we are with the relation C is equal to E naught A upon D. Now electric field experienced by this dielectric is given by E is equal to E naught minus EP, and the potential difference between the two plate capacitor is given by, you know what is the formula of potential difference, that is E dot D. So here suppose this thickness is 4. This is thickness is 4 centimeter. Let us suppose this all the distance between these two plate capacitor is 10 centimeter. Then what is the distance occupied by the free space? That is 10 minus 4. That is 6. It means D minus T. So electric field present in this area and in this area, potential difference present in this area and this area is equal to E naught D minus T plus E into T. This E is for this electric field, and thickness of this electric is T, and D minus T is for this area and for this area, and here electric field is E naught. Yeah, for this area and this area I am not taking E, because this is in the outside of this dielectric, so we are considering E naught. But for dielectric I am not considering E naught, I am considering net electric field. Are you getting this point? If there is any inquiry, then you can ask at any time. So this is E naught D minus T plus AT. This is, let us suppose this is equation number 1, and this is question number 2. Now we know that dielectric constant is electric field in the vacuum to the electric field in the medium, and here E is equal to E naught upon K. So putting this value, equation 3 in equation 2, we get V is equal to E naught D minus T plus, in place of E we are putting E naught upon K into T. Now E naught both are common factors here. So E naught D minus T plus T upon K. You know, E naught is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. You have done in the previous articles that what is the electric field between the two parallel sheets, and the electric field between the two if the charges are opposite signs, and electric field between these two parallel plates is E naught is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. So here I put this value E naught is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, and let us suppose this is equation number 5. Now putting 5 in equation 4 we get V is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught d minus t plus t upon k. Now sigma is surface charge density, it means charge per unit area. So I replace sigma by q over a epsilon naught, and same value come here. Okay, so capacitance is equal to ratio of charge to potential. So C is equal to Q over V, and Q over V, and we have V value of V, Q upon A epsilon naught, and this whole factor. Q cancel out each other, and we are with the A epsilon naught d minus t plus t upon k. Simple mathematics is here. Okay, no, this is the capacitance of the capacitor when dielectric is placed between the two plates of the capacitors. Okay, now let us suppose we take one case that this value, this dielectric T is occupying whole the surface inside of this capacitor. It means T is equal to this distance is D. It means we are assuming that, let us suppose T is equal to D. So I am putting this value T is equal to D. Then we have with C is equal to A epsilon naught. This is D minus again D plus D upon K. D cancel out each other, and B are D upon K, and this is equal to K AE epsilon naught upon T, and this is the result of the capacitance of the capacitor when there is medium between the two parallel capacitor is air or vacuum. So we are with C is equal to C naught K. It means with the inserting of the dielectric slab between the two parallel plates of the capacitors, the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor increases by the amount of K. Okay, thank you.